you can see, I'm in a very new, different setup. So I just moved. I'm so freaking excited. Me and my boyfriend have got our first apartment and I'm so unbelievably excited. I'm so happy. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of November. That is right, you guys. So Ipsy has now released a Glam Bag Ultimate, which is kind of like rivaling BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe, I would say. So we're gonna open this baby up, see what is inside, and see if anything even compares to what BoxyCharm gives you. I don't know. So if you want to see what is inside this Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of November, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have already actually cut it open. I have cut it open already, but I haven't looked at anything inside, so no worries there. I'm gonna move this out the way. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So it's in a really big box, as you can see. So if we open it up, ooh, okay. So I've already seen some things I'm super excited about. The first thing we have is a big makeup bag right here. It has a cute little leopard print on the front of it. And then when you, oh my God, this thing is freaking huge. I love this. I thought it was gonna be like a typical size makeup bag and then it folds in like this. That is really nice. This is great. And then when you actually zip it this way, you have a handle to hold on to. So starting off on a good note, I think this is a really great makeup bag. So the first thing that I actually see is this thing that is striking my eye. This is from Gigi Gorgeous. If you can see this right here. God, I love Gigi. I swear, I've been following her for years now. Like while she was still going through transition and everything. She's such a role model. She's freaking an icon. She has come out with her own cosmetics brand. Congratulations to Gigi on that. I'm so excited for you, girl. And then, I can't get it out. Okay, I got it. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this looks to be the only blush duo. And then this is the component, and I'm actually really liking this component. It's nice and white. It has Gigi Gorgeous on the front. It's very simplistic. Oh, this is really cute. I like this a lot. So it has kind of like a matte blush on this side and then a more shimmery blush on this side. This one is the matte blush right here. This one is the shimmery blush. And this one looks to be more of like a peachy color. I think it's very wearable. I'll definitely try this out. I love blush. It's one of my favorite things to ever put on my face. So I will definitely get some use out of this. I'm so excited for you, Gigi. Congratulations. And then next thing I'm seeing is this from Wonder Beauty. Wonder Beauty is everywhere. It's in like every single subscription box. I swear it's crazy. And this is the Wondrous Rush palette. Here's what it looks like. Really cute packaging. This is really cute. I like this packaging a lot. And then when you open it up, I think these are really sweet. So you got some matte shades. You've got a bunch of shimmers. This one right here in the shade Blitz has like got me super intrigued. This pink right there. I'm excited about that.
Oh my God.
This is the next thing that I just saw. This is the Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty? Ipsy? Okay, I see you there, Juice Beauty. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Juice Beauty is a brand that my mom loves a lot. The moisturizer, I used to use it all the time, and the moisturizer was actually very expensive. And like, I know that Juice Beauty in general is quite an expensive brand, so this is really cool. I've never used this product though. And then I don't know what it's a booster serum, so I just do like a little tiny bit like that. And then, ooh, that feels really nice. It's like super hydrating feeling. I don't know what it's used for, maybe under the eye. Okay, so it reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Sick. So that's fun. I didn't know I had very many wrinkles yet. I'm sure I do. But if I don't use this, I'll give this to my mom because she freaking loves Juice Beauty, so this would be a good one for her. Next up, I see something in this little bubble wrap thing, and this is from the brand Smith & Colt. Oh my gosh, I know this brand. I know they do a lot of like brushes and stuff, right? I've never had anything from Smith & Colt before. I don't know what this is though. Like I literally have no idea what this is. It looks really cool. The packaging is awesome. Oh, is it? It's nail polish, isn't it? Oh, it is! Oh my God, it's nail polish. This is a cool color. This is perfect for like fall / winter time. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. We still got more stuff in here. This one is destroyed, if you can see that, and it is the Benefit High Beam Satiny Pink Complexion Highlighter. I think I've actually gotten something like this before in like an Ipsy Glam Bag when I used to get the small bags. It's a highlighter. And then it looks, I think it's like one of those like liquid highlighters that you can kind of like, oh, it's got a little doe foot on there.
I didn't know that.
This does not seem like a highlighter at all. I mean, it's a little bit reflective, but I don't know about this. I don't know about this. We'll see. And then I think something happened with the packaging because isn't it supposed to say high beam on the front? It just says HM. I think something happened there. I don't know, but the box came totally destroyed, so I don't know what happened. We're just gonna move on from that one. Next up, I have, oh, I love this brand. This is the current brand of moisturizer that I use. This is by Youth to the People, and this is a kale plus spinach green tea hyaluronic acid superfood air whip moisture cream. Golly gee. I don't know what that was, but wow, this is really cool. Okay, so it's like a tiny little mini version of this, but I love the moisturizer from this same brand, and this seems to be really, really cool. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Oh, it's very, very light. It kind of feels like the Tatcha water cream. Very, very light, kind of feels like water. Really nice, I like that. I'll have to try this on my face, maybe like under my eyes or something, because I get really dry under my eyes. Next up, I see this little brush. This is by the brand Bean something, I don't know, but it's this little flat brush, and actually I'm not upset about this brush. Normally I don't like, I like getting brushes. I have to sneeze. Excusez-moi. Normally I do actually like, I don't like getting brushes unless I know that unless I know they're from a certain brand or like a brand that I already use. I'm actually probably gonna use it for packing on like a shimmer shade on my lid. So I'm actually gonna use it for that, but cool, I'm excited to try this out. Next up, we have something from Trejic. This is actually, I've gotten Trejic products in a few different subscription boxes. This is the Color Plus Contour Cheek Stick. Okay, it's got, okay, so this looks to be like a contour stick right here. I don't really contour my face all that often, but I know a lot of people do, so this could be really cool for that. Oh, it's got a little brush in there. Cool, so it's got a little contour brush in there as well, so you can kind of like do that and blend it out. That's really cool. I'm super not mad at that. I don't know if I'll ever get any kind of use out of this though. If I ever start like contouring, then maybe I'll definitely try it out and see. I actually think Trejic products are quite expensive as well, so we'll see. Next up, we have this little, oh, it's a panda mask. How cute is this? So it's a face mask, and it says brightening mask, hydrates and soothes. We all know I could use some hydration up in my skin here. Oh, it's just an eye mask. It's not even a whole face mask. That's really cute. I love that. I will use this tonight after I take my makeup off because this is really cute. I'm super hyped about that. Next up, we have, this is the Eva NYC. It's a satin cream, a satin dream leave-in cream. By saying that 3 times fast, and it also rhymes. Detangles, soothes, and moisturizes for all hair. Oh, it's a hair thingy. So maybe it's like a hair mask? I don't know. It doesn't say how to use it, so I'm assuming it's probably some kind of hair mask. I'll have to like look it up and see what the directions are, but that's really cute. And then it looks like we've got 2 more things. First up, we have, ooh, $1 Billion Brows, the Best Sellers Kit. Okay, so the brand is $1 Billion Brows. I feel like I've heard about this brand before, maybe. I don't know from who though. We got a whole crap ton of stuff in here. This is the brow gel, and I don't know what kind of shade it's in, maybe like brown or something. Oh, that's brow gel. It's gel, it's clear. Cool, okay, I've never used this brand before, so this is really interesting. And then here's a pencil. This is the Universal Brow Pencil. Does it say what kind of shade it's in? No, but I think it's brown. So like here is the shade right there. This should be a pretty close match to my hair. And then on the other end, it has a little spoolie, so we love that. This is fun. I'm excited. And then it says a concealer and highlighter duo pencil. Word? I know Anastasia has something kind of similar to this. So one side is concealer, so you can basically make any like correct any mistakes on your brows. So you just take it and you go like underneath there and then blend it out. And then this side is for highlights, so like under the brow bone maybe. That's really cool. I'm hyped for this. And then last but certainly not, oh, oops, it fell off the back. Am I still in frame and everything? I think we're fine. I think we're fine. So this last thing, oh, this is a brand, this is It Cosmetics. Confidence in a Cleanser. Oh my gosh. So I do have the Confidence in a Cream moisturizer, and I do like this, I do like that moisturizer as well. So this is a cleanser. I love that. I'm so excited about this. I've never used this cleanser before. I do like trying new cleansers to see like which one like works for me. I'm excited to use this and give it a shot. So you guys, that is everything that is inside the box. I gotta say, I'm not upset about this box. Let me go ahead and go through the little pamphlet here. The theme is called Wild Side. So it doesn't actually give prices, and I don't know why it doesn't give any prices. That's like super weird. Normally, even in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, they give prices, right? It says explore your 12 Glam Bag Ultimate products worth $250+. I mean, it's great, but if it doesn't give me a price for everything, how do I know it's $250+, right? Wonder why. Maybe I don't know about that. I don't know. That's kind of strange. Well, I'll take the word for it for this month and kind of see, because I don't know. I'm really not disappointed with the stuff that I got. I really do like the things that I got in this box. Like 2 out of 12 things that I'm not gonna use. I don't think that's a bad deal at all. I think everything else is just fine. But yeah, you guys, that has been the unboxing. What are your thoughts on the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate? I think it's nice, but I kind of do feel like stuff is just like thrown together. I don't know. I like it. I did enjoy pretty much everything that I got in here, but I felt like it was kind of like random, if that makes any sense. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I did like it. What are your thoughts? I think that the Glam Bag Ultimate is $50 a month instead of Boxy Luxe is $50 every 3 months. This is $50 a month, so it could probably get a bit expensive. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know that. But yeah, you guys, it is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.